Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix this error code on Windows. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Open the official Microsoft website, scroll down, and download both VC Redist setup files. Once the downloads are complete, open your Downloads folder and install both packages. After the installation finishes, close all open windows. Next, open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, enter the first command shown on the screen and press Enter. Then enter the second command shown on screen and let it complete. Once both commands finish successfully, close Command Prompt and restart your PC. After the restart, check if the error code has been resolved. So that's basically how you can fix this error code on Windows. And that's it for this video. Thanks.